Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in Kakao Talk Online on web browser from PC. So let's get started. So to do that, what you can do is just open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for account.kakao.com. After searching for that option, it will take you to Kakao's login page, and over here what you can do is in the first blank you can enter your Kakao mail ID or your email or the phone number that you have which you have linked with your Kakao account. So after entering your email address, phone number or your Kakao mail ID, what you can do is just enter your password. So after entering that, now what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login you will successfully log into your account. So if you have a QR code of your Kakao account, what you can do is just tap on login with QR code. You can scan the QR code that you have and then log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on reset password, and after tapping on reset password you can easily reset or recover the password that you have forgotten and then create a new one. And after creating a new password, just come back to this login page and just enter the password that you have created, then tap on login. After tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Kakao account. But if you don't have a Kakao account, what you can do is just tap on sign up and then create an account. So that's it guys, this is how to log in Kakao Talk Online on web browser from PC. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.